Alright, me people, here they are, 2005. It's a worldwide war. Blood clot people, it's a media, How them could never understand about things, I go understand about things. You understand what me I say? When I rush nobody rush nobody. If I him alone I come and rush me alone, you have to know that. Me now waste time. I him alone as me rush as I kick him team. Me now waste time. I know that anybody I come down, I mean this are down, You know it. Yeah, when me touch it once, blood clot. You go patch your nose everywhere, Bomb clot. Why I know about fighting thing? I don't know it, not a rush thing. I'm a silent fighter, What I mean bad? Why I come mean bad? As me telling you, simmer down upon your area quietly. You understand? A violent superstar this. Bombo clot. Not anybody talk rubbish thing. So me there, Pussy will I go there. That's what me say I go there, Yeah, sharp thing. Me not joke thing. Alright, then some advice thing I say me telling you. Any boy I come and place, come show like a him and know speaking thing and a writing thing. And a him could never write. And a him could never speak like as we speaking. Any blood clotting as we do is a we, It's us. But them can never beat us, them have to join us. And them join us too. And at the same time, them know so we are going to kill them again. Anyway. A cooking pot me not ready or not. We are ready to cook the bad. You understand what I say? As I say, send them word. As I town there in Ghana, a name called Commander, a city, a day Ghana, already worldwide. If nobody know, as I tell anybody, nobody block clot or talk block clot, and nobody harm me people on street, harm anybody on anywhere. As I'm speaking, anytime I the outside, me chill outside, me chill in a room, me chill in a bush, worldwide, desert as me chill in. But you can beat me, ways open already, I can beat me. When the thing I come a fight, as I'm telling you, open thing, I'm a murder team from long time. I'm here the asthma, not a sickness asthma. I'm here the bugger. The meaning of bugger means asthma. Alright then, as I not talk too much thing. As all my girls them are there, my daughter them, my children them, all them are there upon place. As I respect them and respect general. If you know that, I mean this, or response dance or 7 worldwide. Murder this, bomb clot. I will not talk too much thing. All them I talk about them are ready for murder dance or and also me tell them it's another dance hall. It's a dance hall. It's a hall. You understand? H-A-L-L. Hall. Blue clot. Them could never understand that when them say dance hall. If any boy have valid say dance hall, but you is so. And so we tell you now blue clot we So we there from long time. Learn a spelling thing. Pussy woos. Yeah. As so me speaking, as so me there, Nobody know what I want. As so we there winning thing is a winning till we win. It's a warning myself, bomb clot any boy at the upon me yet. Boy, they not see me yet. Fussy wool. Why not fast? I saw me say fussy wool, Blood clot. Learn. Respect your mama, respect your papa, respect any blood clot general you see on street you don't know. I saw me telling you, Jamaica, worldwide war. I mean there, them can't do nothing. I saw me kill them already. Winning team. Sharp. Yeah. I go on same with him, I go on same time way, anytime, anything I go on same way. Not that anybody talk blow clot. Money is a thing, business is a thing. We not in a too much woman thing. You understand thing? Yeah. Too plenty girls them are there upon place. Yeah, I'm a kick pan truth. And the people them know I'm a kick pan truth. Boom. You understand? We're not in a too much woman thing. A business thing we are dealing with. You know me people them are there. Whether them good, them bad, I may born anybody. Bombo clat. If you know me not born you, then me not know you yet. You understand that? Sharp thing. Nobody attach me data them. Me son them. All of them. As I'm a people. This a Satan world. Bombo world. I'm a devil, that I don't know. Leon. Badness. Mr. Pawnz. worldwide war. 7 worldwide war. 7 books of Moses. See him and me I put this on Facebook. And a boy don't know. And I shut it down. Look like yeah, worldwide, yeah. This a tongue music worldwide. It's a what? Tongue music worldwide. Respect yourself, people. Always respect for your people. I mean there, when you not see me, you must listen to my voice again. And I'm not making the block at a lick you down. So me telling you, shut you. Kicking war.